Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me. So today, let me just check. I just had to check I didn't have lipstick on my teeth because normally I do when I wear red. So today guys, my Glamshop order came in and there is a bit of a story to tell you about this. So last week, the 5th or the 6th of January, I can't remember the exact date, I think it might be the 6th. I got a notification from UPS saying that they was going to deliver, and I thought that's really quick. But I was really excited nonetheless, stayed in all day. She said, oh, there's a tracking number and it does say that it's going to get delivered today by the end of the day, but it's not even in the country. And I said, so where is it? And she said it's still in Poland, and she said it's not even with UPS. I said, so is it still with the seller? And so she said, yeah. She said they haven't dispatched it yet. And I said, right. I said, I'll get in contact with the seller, and they didn't contact me until yesterday. I left 2 emails because I didn't know what was going on. Anyway, it was just sat saying order ready for the longest period of time, and then they contacted me saying that it had been shipped out, and also UPS had contacted me as well at that point by saying it was shipped. And I just thought, oh well, I'll get it in a few days then. And then UPS contacted me again saying that UPS Poland had picked it up, and then it was travelling through the network, and then they said it was going to get delivered today. And I'm like, oh, that old chestnut, I don't expect it to be delivered today. But here we are guys, we've got it. So I ordered 9 single eyeshadows and the pastels. So they did come in bubble wrap, but I've had a sneak peek already, so they're all in here. So let's go through them, and then I think in another video we'll swatch them at the desk like I always do. So this one's pink kiwi, so they just come in little packaging like this. So they're supposed to be multichromes, and there's not much in the pan. I can't see the shift. Actually I can in the I was just about to say I can't see the shift, but I can see it in the camera. It's looking like a greeny gold, but when I look down it's like a burgundy brown. So that's that one. So at least I know what the shift's gonna be. Right, so that's that one. Then we've got, this is one of the ones I've opened, so I don't know. Giggler. Look at this guys. I should have set my other camera up. This is really not doing anything, I don't think. But that's Giggler. Then we've got Lemongrass. Somebody's dug their finger in it, probably when making it. Can't see the colour flip there either. I hope I like these guys. Stuck with them regardless. Then we have frozen apricot or apricot. They seem like they're going to be really light. Well, some of them do. Then we've got Little Liar. It's like a mint green. Then we have Candy Glass. Can you see how light they are? Then we have Alternate Dimension. Which is similar to the other one. think I'll swatch them in the same video. Then we can see my first impressions on it. Then we have Mix. Now it does say, because the pastels, you might need a glitter glue, so I'm going to try probably a glitter glue with just one of them and just swatch the others normally. Then we have Sweet Lemon. That's pretty. It's like an orange and a yellow all in one. Right, so let's go over to my desk now and do some swatching. I'll take the glitter glue and we'll just use that for one of them, and we'll just see what the difference is. There should be a little bit of a difference. So yeah, let's go over to the desk now. Right, so I don't know which one's which. I need to just wipe that off for a start. On this lipstick here, thank you to all you guys who have been trying to help me get a dupe for that. I think I've found one similar, but it's a lipstick, not a liquid lipstick. Do I need to move this in a bit closer? What can you see on there? Anything? I'll just tell you what they are. So this one's Little Liar. Right, so it's a mint. Ooh, yeah, you can definitely see the reflect on it. So it's a mint with a pink undertone. I really don't know if this camera's going to pick it up, but that's it there. Shall we do 2 swatches of it? They are really, really light, but that's the shade there. I'll turn the light down at the end, as always. I'm going to put them in a palette soon. And what we'll do is we'll swatch them and then we'll swatch the last one and put that glitter glue over the top. This one is Sweet Lemon. I think I'll leave that to last. This one is Lemongrass. This one looks more pigmented. Ooh, that is so pretty. Right, so this one's not a pastel. That's pretty. I don't know why that was in the pastels. They were selling these off, guys, for like €142 a piece, so I definitely had to get them. What's this one? Frozen Apricot. Again, this one has got a blue flip. Really, really pretty. They feel kind of powdery. Yeah, you can see the blue flip there. I'm hoping you can. So it's like blue in the middle and then goes orange on the outside. Real, real pretty. I put them back in the wrong way around. This one is Alternate Dimension. Another blue one. They're really, really pretty. They're just really, really light. I don't know how well they'd look on the eye. I think you'd have to put tons on. Right, so this is a blue with like a green shift. Hoping at the end, when I turn the light down, you can see the shifts. This one is called Mix. This again is another mint green. But I'd say, let's see if I'm right. Yeah, it's slightly darker. I can't really see a shift in this one. There's a little bit of a blue shift. This one is Candy Glass. Again, another blue one. I just clicked them all. Whatever I could get, I just clicked them on. I can't see a flip in that. It just looks, it looks the same as what's in the pan there. Pretty nonetheless. Pink Kiwi, so that's that one. This one will be quite dark, I should imagine. And it's a lot smoother. Oh, that's nice. So it's like on a black base, but there's like a green khaki undertone. That's why I like the darker ones. So I like this one and this one better than the pastels, which makes sense because they're more pigmented. Then this one should be Giggler, that pink one. Yeah, look at that, it's pretty. Before I start putting my fingers in it, that is pretty. I don't see a duochrome. Yeah, it's got a blue undertone. Right, so that's all of them ones. We just need to swatch that Sweet Lemon shade. Right, so what I'm going to do is just put a bit of this Too Faced Shadow Insurance down. Just going to swatch it up here, and then, oh yeah, you can definitely see the yellow. That's the kind of shade I have been wanting for ages. Right, so that's, what is it again? Sweet Lemon. So that's Sweet Lemon. So that's what they all look like on the arm there. Let's turn the light down. So that's all 9 shades. I'm looking forward to doing some looks with it. I think what I'm going to do now, guys, is... oh, it's over here. Just so I use them and I know that I've got them, I'm going to put these 8 Multichromes in with those, and I'll show you. We'll get the palette and we'll do it now together, actually. Right, so we're going to pop them in this Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I've got another one for my duochromes, so we're going to put these in here. Shall we do these ones first? These ones are so similar. Just put that there for a minute. Right, so we've got 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, over here 9. Really, I want to keep Glamshop together, so we need to figure out a way to do this. Just gonna have to be like that. And then what we'll do with these ones, yeah, see, I thought so. The base of these eyeshadows are a lot thicker. I wouldn't say a lot, but they're definitely a couple of millimeters thicker. So I'm gonna pop these over here. Great. Dug my finger into this. That is my favourite shade, my rope. I've not tried a lot of these though. In fact, I've barely tried any of these Titmouse cosmetics. So then there are Pastel Roses, and then these ones are Titmouse cosmetics, and I think I've only tried maybe 2 shades. Right guys, so that's what it's looking like. There's definitely room to grow. I'm not too sure if I'd order from Glamshop again. There is a palette that I want to get, the lemon citrine one that they've got out. I should have really bought it when I ordered those, but I completely forgot about it. And I just wanted to test some singles. So yeah, this is what we're looking like. I feel like they're really, really gorgeous. These 2 shades down here and that orange shade, I think they're going to be my favourites, just because they're more pigmented than the pastels. I feel like the pastels will make great inner corner highlights and things like that, so it's not completely wasted. And again, I'll be using these shades very, very soon. So this is my Multichrome palette the way it is at the moment. Titmouse Cosmetics don't have any more Multichromes on their website. Pastel Roses do, so next time I want Multichromes I'll have to go over to Pastel Roses. But yeah guys, this concludes the video. Let me know your thoughts on this palette. Let me know your thoughts on the new eyeshadows that I got today. I would really, really appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.